I heard you wanted an update on the 61. Let's update.
Hey everybody, happy Good Friday. It's especially happy because I got Volkswagen parts. So we're back to the 61. Let's see what we got here. Got a couple CIP boxes. Let's see what is in them. All right. Pink paper on the packing slip here. All right, let's see what we got. All right, cool. I got the sill pieces for under the front windshield. Very good. They're stuck together. 2 pieces for the windshield, 1 for the side window. I just want to see how this works, how much metal this actually covers. I'll order some more because all of the frames are kind of shot. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, we got a couple outriggers here. Perfect. Another one. We got some jack points here.
This should be in that. Should put it in like this with snow, right? Fit. I'll just do this, I guess.
Got another one. It's a pretty good quality here.
Yeah.
We got an inner rocker for the cargo side here, cargo doors.
Yeah, just leave that.
We got U channel, the floor, we're bracing there. We got 3 of them. So I'm going to replace 3 of them in here. All 3. Pretty cool. Now, I have 2 outer rockers. I don't know why they sent 2. Whoopsie. I did indeed order 2 left side outer rockers. I must have got a little happy with the clicker there and hit it twice, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try selling that one later. I do have one more box One more box. What could this be? What could this be? All right. Oh. Got ourselves a driver's side dog leg here. Perfect.
Should I just take it like that?
Look at that. So we're almost completed with the driver's side as far as parts. I do need an inner rocker. I just got notification today that that part came in, so I'm placing another CIP order. So I'll be able to go through the driver's side, hopefully work my way around to the front, and come back around. And by that time, I'm hoping to have the wheel well on the passenger side in stock. That's hoping anyway. So we'll, so look at this, metal. We got a lot of stuff here, guys. And the parts list is continuing to grow. I picked up a bumper, a correct bumper for the rear. So it's a slash cut bumper. I got overriders. Let's see. I got a slash cut bumper for the bus. It came with a 65 and later one, the pointy bumper with the overrider. So I'm gonna take the overriders from there and try to put them on here. I do have some rust here I'm gonna have to address, but I got a good price on it and I can't complain. I also got a nice overrider for the front bumper. Also, I was able to get the bumper and all this at Nodo. Got a good price on it. So these will go to the front. I also need one more of these. I'm just gonna have to trim these out a little bit more. This one is the only one that almost fits right in the jack point. So the outrigger almost fits in there. Not a problem. This is the front. Should be in here something like that. If I cut that old one out. More metal, guys. Stuff for the 61. It's coming along. Got a big parts list coming along, so we have metal, metal, and more metal. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Be safe and have a nice holiday, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.